Good afternoon, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for June 27th, 2024. It is 10:50 and the SPX is trading higher up 0.1% to 54.83. It is bullish to neutral out here thus far. We got Qs also positive 0.2%, and IWM outperforming up 0.5%, largely in response to a weaker dollar and lower rates. VIX, a measure market volatility, is more or less flat at the 12.5 handle. The risk is really one-sided in terms of vol, so further vol compression will have little to no impact on the underlying, whereas if we do get a resurgence in volatility, it will exacerbate the downside. Now that volatility flip level has shifted higher to 54.65, so a break of this handle would be a short-term risk-off indication where we would anticipate higher volatility, both realized and implied. Below that sits 54.50, which has held as strong support over the past 5 sessions or so, with the implied low just below that at 54.39. Now, as far as the upside goes, the market has found resistance at 54.90. Not a significant gamma level. That would be 5,500, which is the call wall ABS, and then the implied high just above that at 55.15. But 54.90 has been, I would say, a technical level where we have seen selling pressure in the past here, the most recent past. So we're seeing a bit of a rejection there. Now, if we zoom out, the structure is positive. All right, so we are still in an uptrend, making a series of higher highs and higher lows, and we've been consolidating for the past 6 days. We are now getting that break of structure, and I don't know, perhaps we're going to see some continuation. Obviously, there's not a whole lot of momentum here thus far, but that break of structure is most certainly bullish. The problem with the upside here is our upper bound remains 5,500. So to really see meaningful upside beyond that handle, we need to see that call wall shift higher, which would be a result of calls being added further out in time and price. Lastly, let's take a quick look at the gamma charts. Gamma index remains positive, 510 million, trading above the flip of 54.65. You can see most strikes below are negative. That is destabilizing for the market price. Standout strike 54.50 as support. I think we're all familiar with that level by now. 5,500 call wall, major resistance on the upside, and that's really the upper bound. We do have some call wall candidates, 5,550, 5,600. So perhaps if we get a bullish close near 5,500, that call wall will shift higher, opening the door to higher prices tomorrow. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you're not a member and you're interested in learning more, you can visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.